Hello, myself Satnam Singh. In this session, we will discuss two component system. Two component system, the system in which the composition of all the phases can be expressed in terms of two substances. For two component system, the phase rule becomes F is equal to C minus P plus 2 is equal to 4 minus P. For study of the system, we require minimum phase as 1. Therefore, F maximum is equal to 3. Thus, three variables would be necessary to describe the system. Besides temperature and pressure, another variable will be concentration. Hence, we will require 3D model which is difficult to plot. There are three options: pressure temperature diagrams at constant concentration, concentration pressure diagram at constant temperature, or temperature composition diagram at constant pressure. We will concentrate on the temperature composition diagram at constant pressure. It is easy to keep pressure constant at atmospheric value and discuss temperature composition diagram. This reduces the degree of freedom of the system by 1, and phase rule equation then is written as F dash. Instead of F, it is F dash is equal to C minus P plus 1. This is termed as reduced phase rule. In F dash is equal to 3 minus P for two component system. Two component solid liquid equilibria can be of two types. Two components are miscible in liquid state. Two components are only partially miscible in liquid state. These are further of three types. Type A, two components are immiscible in solid state and form a eutectic mixture. B type, two components form a stable compound with congruent melting point. C type, two components form a compound with incongruent melting point. We will discuss two components are miscible in liquid state but are not miscible in solid state. This is a eutectic system. Eutectic means easy to melt. Binary system in which two components are miscible in all proportions in the liquid, that is the molten state, and these components do not react chemically. Each component has the property of lowering each other's freezing point. What is freezing point? It is the temperature at which there is equilibrium between liquid and solid state at atmospheric pressure. Eutectic mixture, it is a solid solution of two component system which has the lowest freezing point of all the possible mixtures of the components. Simple eutectic system. Eutectic system is a single chemical composition of a mixture of chemical compounds or elements that solidifies at a lower temperature than any other composition. Composition is termed as eutectic composition and temperature is termed as eutectic temperature. This is a phase diagram of simple eutectic system of two components A and B. This is plotted at constant pressure by considering reduced phase rule equation, that is F dash is equal to C minus P plus 1. In our further discussion, we will consider the phase diagram at constant pressure. This is pure component A 100% and this is pure component B 100%. And in between, this is various composition of A and B. On this axis, we have a temperature. Pure component A, if we heat, it will melt at a certain temperature. Point A is the melting point of pure component A. Similarly, B is pure component and this point B is the melting point of pure component B. When we add increasing quantity of B to A, the melting point is decreasing. Curve AC is termed as freezing point curve of A and curve BC is termed as freezing point curve of component B. Number of phases along AC is 2, that is solid is in contact with solution. We have said A to be the melting point. So at melting point we have the solid in equilibrium with the melt. Along AC we have two phases. If we apply reduced phase rule equation, we get F dash is equal to 1. Composition varies with the temperature along the line AC. Similarly, by adding increasing quantities of A to B, the melting point will decrease and it will follow path B to C. These two curves AC and BC meet at point C, which is the lowest melting point for this composition. No other composition has this lowest melting point. At point C, F dash is equal to 0. That means point C is invariant. Point C is the lowest temperature at which liquid solution can exist in equilibrium with A solid and B solid. There are three phases at point C. One is liquid melt, one is A solid, another is B solid. Let us consider two temperatures T1 and T2. Composition at T1 is X and composition at temperature T2 is Y. That means when there is a decrease in temperature, solid A is separating out and composition of melt is changing. Curve AC, solid A is in equilibrium with solution of varying composition depending upon the temperature. Let us consider liquid mixture of composition A at this temperature. It is allowed to cool at atmospheric pressure. At B, A solid separate out. Temperature can change only when system move along the path BC. At point C, the second B solid also begins to crystallize out. Now at this point, we have two solid A and solid B, and the liquid melt which is having composition C. F dash at point C is equal to 0. On cooling further, solid A and solid B will continue to separate out in the ratio of this composition, so that the composition of melt does not change. This process will continue till there are three phases. A stage will reach when melt will solidify completely into solid A and B. Once we have solid A and solid B, then F dash becomes equal to 1, the system becomes monovariant. Then only the temperature of the system can fall below the line DD dash. Similarly, if we take a composition A dash, then on cooling at B dash, B solid will separate out, and when the system is cooled, the system will follow path B dash C with continuous separation of B solid. If we take a special case composition Z, which is the same composition as that of eutectic point. At Z, when we cool the system at point C, solid A and solid B will separate out in the composition as that of liquid melt, so that the composition of liquid melt does not change. We will have three phases, and this process of separation of solid A and solid B will continue till three phases are in contact. When whole of the melt crystallizes, then we will have two phases. Then only the temperature of the system can fall below line D dash. Eutectic point is the minimum freezing point attainable corresponding to the eutectic mixture, that is the lowest melting point. Eutectic mixture has definite composition and a sharp melting point. In this respect, it resembles a compound. However, it is not a compound. When such a solid is examined under a powerful microscope, both the constituents are seen to lie as separate crystals. Moreover, physical properties such as density and heat of solution of eutectic solid are almost equal to the mean values of the constituents. Hence, it is a mixture and not a chemical compound. Now we will discuss lead-silver system. This is the phase diagram of lead-silver system. Metals, that is lead and silver, are completely miscible in liquid state and do not form any compound. This is 100% lead, and if we heat the lead, it will melt. The melting point of lead is 327 degrees centigrade. This is 100% silver. If we heat the silver, silver will melt at 961 degrees centigrade. So this is the melting point of silver. AC is called as freezing point curve of lead, and BC curve is called as freezing point curve of silver. Along curve AC, lead solid and solution coexist. Curve AC or BC, number of phases is 2. In this side, along AC, we have lead solid and melt. F dash is equal to 1 at 1 atmosphere. The system is monovariant. Point C is the eutectic point. It is 303 degrees centigrade and at 2.6% of silver. At point C, we have three phases: lead solid, silver solid, and the melt. So F dash at point C is equal to 0. Area above AC and BC is a homogeneous liquid melt. Argentiferous lead contains a very small amount, that is 0.1% of silver. If argentiferous lead containing very small amount of silver is heated above 327 degrees centigrade, it will form a liquid, and when it is allowed to cool at point B, lead will crystallize out and solution will become richer in silver. It will follow the path AC on cooling. Pure lead separated out, that is called as desilverization of lead, and is removed by a ladle. At eutectic point C, argentiferous lead contains 2.6% of silver. Process of raising the relative proportion of silver, it was initially about 0.1% to 2.6% of silver, is termed as Pattinson's process. Alloys. Few useful properties possessed by metals are high malleability, ductility, luster, and good electrical conductivity. These properties of metals are not sufficient for most of the applications that also require tensile strength, corrosion resistance, and hardness. Properties of metals can be improved by mixing, that is alloying it with some other metal or non-metal. Applications: use of alloys as fail-safe devices in boilers, as plugs in automobiles, fire sprinklers, and other such safety devices. Eutectic systems, because of their low melting points, are also used for joining two metal pieces together. For example, lead tin solders. In this session, we have discussed reduced phase rule. F dash is equal to C minus P plus 1 at atmospheric pressure. Two component solid liquid equilibria, where two components are miscible in liquid state but immiscible in solid state, that is eutectic mixture. Phase diagram of eutectic system of components A and B, eutectic temperature and eutectic composition. We have discussed phase diagram of lead silver system, desilverization of lead, that is separation of pure lead, raising relative proportion of silver, which is termed as Pattinson's process. Thanks for watching this video.